Can you roll over a 401k to gold after 59 and a half? Reaching the age of 59 and a half brings greater control over your retirement savings. At this stage, many begin exploring safer ways to protect their hard-earned wealth. One frequently asked question is, can you roll over a 401k to gold after 59 and a half? The short answer is yes, but with certain rules and steps. A rollover to gold offers a hedge against inflation and market uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's what you need to know. 1. You can access your 401k without penalty. Once you turn 59 and a half, you can access your 401k funds without paying the 10% early withdrawal penalty. This gives you the flexibility to move your retirement funds into different types of accounts, including those that allow investment in gold. 2. You must use a self-directed IRA. Traditional IRAs or Roth IRAs typically allow investments in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, but not physical gold. To hold gold, you must open a self-directed IRA, SD IRA, through a specialized custodian. This type of IRA lets you invest in alternative assets like gold, silver, real estate, and more. 3. Your 401k plan must allow rollovers. Most plans allow what's called an in-service rollover after 59 and a half, meaning you can transfer funds to another retirement account while still employed. However, some plans may have restrictions. Check with your HR department or plan administrator before starting the process. 4. Only certain types of gold qualify. You cannot invest in just any gold item. The IRS only allows specific types of gold in retirement accounts. These include American Gold Eagle coins, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf coins, gold bars with at least 99.5% purity. These must be stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. Storing gold at home is not allowed under retirement rules. 5. Use a direct rollover to avoid taxes. To avoid taxes and penalties, use a direct rollover, where the money moves straight from your 401k to your new gold IRA. If you take the funds yourself and deposit them later, called an indirect rollover, you must do so within 60 days, or the IRS will treat it as a taxable withdrawal. 6. Be aware of fees and risks. Gold offers safety and long-term value, but it also comes with storage and insurance fees. No dividends or interest income. Price fluctuations. Gold is best used as part of a balanced portfolio, not your only retirement asset. So, can you roll over a 401k to gold after 59 and a half? Yes, you can roll over your 401k to gold after age 59 and a half, if your plan allows it and you follow IRS rules. A gold IRA can offer valuable protection during uncertain economic times. But always research carefully and consider speaking with a trusted financial advisor before making the move. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.